Hi everyone, welcome to my channel GK for all competitive exams. Today in this video I am going to discuss about SSC CGL Admit card status. In this video I am going to show you how to know the rule number, date of examination, place of examination and time of your examination. SSC not released admit card. SSC released admit cards before 4 days of your examinations. In this video, I am going to show you how to check the rule number, place of examination, time and date of examination. Let's start. First of all, you have to visit official website of Staff Selection Commission ssc.nic.in. After that, you can get information like this. You have to enter your registration number, password, then you have to enter captcha and click on login option. After that, you can get information like this. Here you have to click on admit card option. After that, you can get information like this. Here region wise admit cards details here given. Here in this video I want to check about southern region admit card detail. So here I am going to click on southern region option. After clicking on southern region option, I am getting information like this. Here second line, combined graduate level examination, know the application status, know the rule number, time, date and place of computer based examination for tier 1 option is given. You have to click on know the rule number, time, date and place of computer based examination for tier 1 option. After that, you can get information like this. Here you have to enter online registration ID number and your date of birth. After that, you have to click on know the rule number, date, time and place of examination option. Next, you can get information like this. You can get your rule number, your name, your date of birth, father name, mother name and your registration number and date of your examination and reporting time, time of examination, where is the place of your examination you can get. If you like this video, you can share this video with your friends. I hope by this video you will know about how to know the rule number, time, date and place of your examination. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.